It is race day. Race day! Race day!
It's
race day!
What's up?
What
Bro,
you
you
thinking,
about to
bro? You
lose.
ready?
Yeah.
You ready, bro?
Yup.
You ain't ready for this.
All right, let's go to the
It's
bank.
race day!
So, Heat 4 is up right now. They're just finishing up. I held third place all through qualifying until Heat 3. Then I got knocked out of Heat 3. Back to fourth place. Heat 4 comes up. I just put up my best lap of the day. Bumped back up to third place. It's Adrone in first, Nub in second, and I'm currently in third right now going into the last and final heat. I had a little bit of worries about this track because when I started during practice, I couldn't even put up two successful laps. I just kept crashing out and crashing out. But I think I got my sticks together, so yeah, you know, we're just gonna send it and hope for the best today. Hope for the best.
I don't wanna love again, 'cause I'll be living with regret.
Woo, hey, there's arm. And in fourth place, Yawsome with an I
Yawsome.
participated. That's what it looks like, all cleaned off. The pain in the ass to do that. In
Thanks for doing mine.
second runner-up, I think that's third place, right? Second runner-up.
Yep.
All right, me, yay!
Lemmy!
All right, second place with two second place finishes and a third place finish. I beat you one time?
You beat me that last
Oh,
time. I hit
shit,
that gate.
yeah.
I crashed that gate
There you go,
for
sir.
Jalen.
Hold it up for the camera. Take a little picture.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
And he did well. He didn't qualify the best. He got fourth in qualifying, but he did come in and demolish demolished the mains.
Completely.
My man.
Droner!
And I want to point out that the reason he demolished those mains was that breathing exercise that he did earlier.
It works. It does
Breathing
work.
exercise is important, guys.
Thanks.
Good job, man. For real.
Seriously, that was some awesome racing. You guys did good.
What's up, everyone? We are back at the house today. Ended up finishing second place, which is way better than I expected, especially considering all the fast pilots that was there competing today. I put a GoPro on my quad to get some better quality footage, so this way you guys can enjoy it a little bit more. Since 5-inch season opened up, I'm going to be going to a lot more of these races, making a lot more of these videos. So this is something that you can definitely expect in the future. Listen, if you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content. Don't forget, support the blue.